Hello fellow plant lovers and welcome back to HH Beauty Garden. I'm so thrilled to have you here. And for those of you who are new, get ready to dive deep into the wonderful world of gardening with someone who's been digging in the dirt for over a decade. Today, we're tackling one of my all-time favorite plants, the magnificent rose, and guess what? We're going to propagate them in a way that's not only incredibly simple and effective, but also uses entirely natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. You're going to save money and gain a deeper understanding of how these beauties grow with the power of natural root stimulants. Before we get started, do me a huge favor, make sure you stick around for the entire video. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single step of this amazing process. And if you love natural gardening tips like this, hit that like button. Share this video with your gardening buddies, and most importantly, subscribe to HH Beauty Garden so you don't miss out on any of our future green adventures. First things first, we need a healthy, disease-free rose stem. Aim for about 15 to 20 centimeters long, then gently remove the lower leaves. This isn't just for aesthetics. It helps reduce transpiration, allowing the stem to focus all its energy on developing those precious roots. Quick question for all of you out there, what country are you watching from? Drop a comment below. I'm genuinely excited to chat and connect with plant lovers from all corners of the globe. Now, for our first natural secret, disinfection, and all you need is a humble clove of garlic. Simply peel the garlic and rub it thoroughly on the cut end of your rose stem. You can use fresh or even dried garlic because both are packed with powerful antibacterial compounds like allicin. Garlic is incredible. It has the ability to kill bacteria, fight off fungi, and prevent dreaded root rot. All crucial factors for healthy, rapid root growth. It's a natural, safe, and super easy solution you can do right at home. Next up, our unsung hero, lemon. Lemon isn't just a kitchen staple, it plays a vital role in stimulating root growth. Grab a fresh lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice into a small cup. The citric acid in lemons helps balance the pH and acts as a mild rooting stimulant by promoting cell division. Place the cut part of your rose stem in the lemon juice for about 10 minutes. This does double duty, it disinfects the cutting and preps it to absorb all those good nutrients. Now, let's create our powerful rooting concoction. Cut the lemon peel into small pieces for easy blending. Add a clove of garlic to the mixture, along with the lemon zest, and mix them well. Then, add 200 milliliters of water and blend it all until it's smooth. That lemon peel contains limonene, a natural compound that's fantastic for encouraging callus formation. An essential step before rooting even begins. In a separate cup. Take 3 tablespoons of rice and 300 milliliters of water. Stir it well and let it stand for about 15 minutes. This creates rice water, which is a fantastic, light source of energy, providing simple sugars and nutrients to support that crucial early growth. For our growing medium, I've got a simple yet incredibly effective option for you today. Toilet paper. Yes, you heard that right. Toilet paper retains moisture beautifully, is breathable, helps cuttings root quickly, and limits root rot. It's a simple, economical, and environmentally friendly method. Now, pour the strained rice water into your lemon garlic mixture. Make sure you strain out any solids first. We want a clear liquid for a smooth and effective rooting solution. Next, pour fresh lemon juice into the mixture you just prepared and stir gently until everything is perfectly combined. When these ingredients come together, they create a powerful, bioavailable rooting solution that offers mild acidity, natural antifungal protection, and essential sugars, truly ideal for rooting. Time to prepare our cutting for its new home. Wrap a thin layer of damp paper gently around the stem of the rose, making sure to expose the leaf nodes. These nodes are incredibly important because they're where new growth will emerge. Moisten your paper cup with the natural rooting solution we just prepared. This will help maintain moisture around the cutting and deliver those essential nutrients directly to the rooting area. Make a small hole in the middle of the cup to insert the rose stem. Ensure the hole is just wide enough to hold the stem firmly, guaranteeing good contact with the moist environment inside. Finally, place your wrapped cuttings in a plastic cup, then cover it tightly with another large, clear cup. This creates our very own mini greenhouse, simulating a tropical environment by enhancing heat and humidity retention. Key factors for successful rooting: remember to keep your setup in a cool, shady place, away from direct sunlight. Excessive heat can dehydrate your cuttings or cause them to rot before those precious roots can form. With a little patience, you'll start to see amazing things happen. Small roots and new shoots will emerge from the nodes. This is the clear, exciting sign that your cutting is alive and thriving, a truly rewarding result for such simple, natural inputs. If you found this method useful, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'd absolutely love to hear your thoughts and experiences, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends who dream of growing their own roses. We're building an incredible community of plant lovers here at HH Beauty Garden, and you are a valuable part of that community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening, everyone!